Letter is being written.
Has letter been written?
Letter has been written.
Has letter been being written?
Letter has been being written.
Can letter be written?
Letter can be written.
Was letter written?
Letter was written.
Was letter being written?
Letter was being written.
Had letter been written?
Letter had been written.
Had letter been being written?
Letter had been being written.
Could letter be written?
Letter could be written.
Will letter be written?
Letter will be written.
Will letter be being written?
Letter will be being written.
Will letter have been written?
Letter will have been written.
Will letter have been being written?
Letter will have been being written.
Okay. Should letter be written?
Letter should be written.
Must letter be written?
Letter must be written.
Should you write a letter?
I should write a letter.
Must you write a letter?
I must write a letter.
Okay, good that about this. Now we come to digital speaking. We have what it is. Um, can you see this?
Yes, I see this.
And yeah, this new share, screen share.
Yes.
It's about Aziz Safi. Assalamu alaikum. Can you see this?
Yes, I'm seeing this.
Okay, all right. So let me see. Yesterday we were talking about that. इस बात पर तो मुझे तुमसे नफरत है.
There I hate you.
हाँ, यही तो तुम गलती करती हो.
There you are mistaken.
ओके, चीजें देते हुए ये लीजिए जनाब.
There you are.
ये सर, ये means sir. Okay, there you are
There
sir.
you are, sir. There you are, sir.
लो घंटी बज गई.
There goes the bell.
ओके, लो मेरी बस तो आ गई.
There comes my bus.
आ गई है. ओके, देखो वो वही गलती दोबारा करने लगा है.
There he goes again.
बस बस कोई बात नहीं.
There, never mind.
देखो मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ.
Hey, you there?
देखो मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
There, I love you a lot.
बस बस अब चुप हो जाओ.
There, stop.
अब बताओ.
There now.
मेरे कमरे में एक थैला है, उसे ले आओ.
There's a bag in my room. Bring it.
कोई खास बात नहीं है.
There's nothing special.
क्या उस खाने में कोई है?
Is there anyone in the bathroom? Is there
क्या
in
यहाँ
the
से
bathroom?
स्टेशन की कोई बस जाती है?
Is there a bus here to the station?
पाकिस्तान में कितने सूबे हैं?
How many provinces are there in Pakistan?
गुड. आपकी क्लास में कितने तालिब इल्म हैं?
How many students are there in your class?
क्या यहाँ कोई गिलास है?
Is there a glass here?
क्या घर में कोई नहीं है?
Is not there anyone home?
ओके, दफ्तर में कोई नहीं था.
There was nobody in the office.
क्या आपकी कार में कोई गड़बड़ है?
Is there anything wrong with your car?
क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ?
Is there anything I can do for you?
हमारे मुंह में क्या है?
What's in your mouth there?
आपसे बाहर कोई मिलने आया है.
There's someone out to see you.
गुड. Now the question answer practice for B2. Okay. B means is
Okay.
MR. It okay. B
Okay.
means is MR.
Okay.
मुझे घर जाना है.
I am to go home.
उसे अगले हफ्ते शादी करनी है.
She's to me. She's to me next week. She's to marry next week. She's to marry next week.
मुझे खत डालना था लेकिन मुझे भूल गया.
I was to post the letter, but I forgot it.
कल तुमने क्या करना है?
What are you do tomorrow?
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
Where are you to go?
तुम्हें यहीं ठहरना है.
You are to go stay here. You are to go stay here.
Go नहीं है, you are to stay here. Okay.
You are to stay here.
वो sometimes there are mistakes. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जाना है.
I am not to go with you.
Okay. आप यहाँ किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? आपको यहाँ किससे मिलना है?
Who are you? Who are you to meet here?
उन्हें लाहौर का दौरा करना था.
They were to visit Lahore.
मुझे आपसे बात करना थी. करना है.
I am to talk with you.
I'm to talk with you. आपसे बात करनी है. Here we have. मैं कल लंदन जा रहा हूँ.
लेकिन ऊपर जो आपने कहा था बी के सेंटेंस आएंगे वो तो एक भी नहीं था उसमें.
वो बी है एक्चुअली इज एम आर की एक शक्ल है. ठीक है. बी हैज मैनी डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. इसकी बहुत सी मुख्तलिफ शक्लें होती हैं. एक्चुअली बी इज एम आर ये एक ही बहन भाई हैं सारे. ऑलराइट. और
Okay.
वाज वर्ड जो है वो बी की पास्ट की शक्ल है. ऑलराइट.
प्रेजेंट में इज एम आर बी
हाँ. बी
एक
की
चीज
जो
है
बी की जो पास्ट फॉर्म है वो वाज वर्ड होती है.
वो बीन आ जाएगी.
हाँ. बी कभी भी फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं होता. यहाँ पे बी का उसने बताया है इस्तेमाल बी और टू का इस्तेमाल. यानी इज टू भी हो सकता है, एम टू भी हो सकता है, वाज टू भी हो सकता है, आर टू भी हो सकता है. इस तरह से उसने उनको इस्तेमाल किया. ठीक है.
ओके.
नाउ हम ये देखते हैं बी प्लस बीइंग. तो इसका मतलब है इज एम आर इसके साथ इंग फॉर्म और वाज वर्ब के साथ इंग फॉर्म इस तरह से इस्तेमाल. और ये इजी सेंटेंस है. यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट. मैं लंदन जा रहा हूँ.
आई एम गोइंग टू लंदन
टुमारो भी है. मैं कल लंदन जा रहा हूँ.
टुमारो.
ओके. अब ये सेंटेंस है अभी हमने पढ़ा है इस तरह के. ये प्रॉपर इंग्लिश नहीं है. आई एम गोइंग टू लंदन टुमारो. ठीक है. तो टुमारो ही कहना था तो आई विल गो टू लंदन टुमारो. इसमें क्या खराबी थी? ठीक है ना. तो समटाइम्स कोई हम काम जल्दी करीब ही होने वाला हो तो हम आने वाले वक्त का काम जो करीब करीब हमने करना तो उसको हम इस तरह से बोल देते हैं. बट इट्स कॉमन. लेकिन अगर ऐसी बात टुमारो यूज करना था तो हमें विल शैल यूज करना चाहिए था. लेकिन भाई ये कॉमन मिस्टेक है इंग्लिश में. इंग्लिश इज नॉट सो परफेक्ट. ऑलराइट.
ओके.
तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
वेयर आर यू गोइंग?
ओके. तुम उससे बातें क्यों कर रहे हो? कर रहे थे.
व्हाई वर यू टॉकिंग टू हर?
वो इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रही है?
व्हाई इज शी लर्निंग इंग्लिश?
जब हम कुछ
अच्छा एक सेकंड. इसमें ये नहीं आता जैसे तुम उनसे बातें क्यों कर रही हो? व्हाई यू वर टॉकिंग टू हर?
ये मैं बताता हूँ. ये जो है इसमें क्या क्यों क्वेश्चन में इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में क्या क्यों कैसे ये इनकी इंग्लिश में हम वो सबसे पहले होगी. ठीक है. और इसके फौरन बाद है एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब जैसे इज एम आर है, हैज है हो सकता है, वाज वर हो सकता है. ये जो है ये आएंगे तो ये क्वेश्चन बनेगा. अदरवाइज इट डजंट बिकम अ क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. यही वाई वगैरह जो है वाई क्यों. तो इसका मतलब अगर यहाँ से इसको यहाँ से उठा के मैं इसको आगे कहीं इधर ले जाता हूँ, शी के बाद ले आता हूँ, वाई शी इज लर्निंग, तो फिर ये इसी वाई का मतलब बन जाता है जिस वजह से. ओके. फिर ये वाई आंसर बन जाता है. तो वाई को क्वेश्चन रखने के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब ये इससे पहले सब्जेक्ट से बात करने वाले से काम करने वाले से पहले हमने इसको रखा हुआ है ताकि ये क्वेश्चन है. अगर यहाँ इससे रिमूव
Okay.
कर देते हैं तो फिर ये क्वेश्चन के बजाय आंसर बन जाता है। अगर इसको मैं शी के बाद लिख देता हूँ, ठीक है? व्हाई शी इज लर्निंग, तो ये इसका ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये आंसर है। दिस इज व्हाई शी इज लर्निंग इंग्लिश, ये है जिसमें इसमें अंग्रेजी सीख रही है। क्लियर? और
Okay.
व्हाई का जो आंसर है, बस कह रहे व्हाई इज शी लर्निंग इंग्लिश, शी इज लर्निंग इंग्लिश बिकॉज। अभी इसका आंसर जो है वो ऐड होता है एंड में जाके, ठीक है?
Okay.
So yeah, these are the things that we need to keep in mind. Anyway, वो इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रही है?
Why is she learning English?
तुम क्या तलाश कर रहे हो?
Just why are you looking for?
नहीं, क्या क्या?
What are you looking for? What
हाँ,
are you looking for?
मैं अपना पेन ढूंढ रहा हूँ।
I am looking for my pen.
क्या तुम सो रहे थे?
Were you sleeping?
तुम क्या दीदे फाड़ फाड़ कर देख रहे हो?
What are you staring at? Staring
Staring
at.
at.
What are you staring? What
क्या
are you staring at?
क्या ये वहाँ अंडे दे रही है?
Is it laying egg there?
मैं वहाँ मजे कर रहा था।
I was enjoying myself there.
वो मेरा बाहर इंतजाम कर रहा है। इंतजार, वो मेरा बाहर इंतजार कर रहा है, इंतजाम लिख दिया गलती से, वो मेरा बाहर इंतजार कर रहा है।
He is waiting for me out there.
Okay. Now this is first form. What is this? Verb, first form plus object or something is. जरा इंतजार करो, ये है imperative sentence है। इसमें कोई हम किसी को हुक्म देते हैं, कोई काम कहते हैं, तो इस तरह से हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म को शुरू में यूज कर लेते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
तो जरा इंतजार करो,
Wait a bit.
डॉक्टर के पास जाओ,
Go to the doctor.
ध्यान करो,
Look out.
मेरी तरफ देखो,
Look at me.
अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखो।
Take care of your health.
ओके, मेरी बात सुनो,
Listen to me.
आराम से बैठ जाओ,
Get easy.
गेट इजी, उसे बाहर का रास्ता दिखाओ,
Show him out.
मेरे पास आओ,
Come to me.
सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोला करो।
Speak only English.
ना किसी को मना करना हो तो हम डोंट या डू नॉट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ठीक है? बाहर मत जाओ,
Don't go out.
मेरी नकल मत उतारो,
Don't mimic me.
मिमिक मी, ठीक है? मेरी खुशामद मत करो,
Mi- Don't flatter me.
उर्दू मत बोलो,
Don't speak Urdu.
मेरे पीछे मत आओ,
Don't follow me.
किसी का एतबार मत करो।
Don't trust anybody.
ऑलराइट, हम रोजाना यहाँ आते हैं,
We daily come here.
मैं सुबह से लेकर शाम तक काम करता हूँ।
He वो सुबह से he
हाँ, सॉरी,
works
वो
from
सुबह से
morning
लेकर
to
शाम
night.
तक काम करता है। He works from,
He
sorry,
works morning to night.
मैं गलत पढ़ गया। मैं तुम्हें अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ।
I know very well. I know you very well.
क्या तुम यहाँ रहते हो?
Do you live here?
क्या आपको इंग्लिश आती है?
Do you know English?
क्या वो पढ़ाता है?
Does he teach?
ओके, हाँ, ये डू डज का मुझे कह रहे थे। तो सिंगुलर के साथ हम डज इस्तेमाल करते हैं, प्लूरल के साथ हम डू इस्तेमाल करते हैं। लेकिन एक बात का ख्याल रखना है कि सिंगुलर आई और यू नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है?
Okay.
ये मैंने अभी आप जो बात बताई है, ये 3-4 जगह पे इस्तेमाल होती है। एस या ई एस कब जो है हम करते हैं कि एस ई एस लगाना है या नहीं लगाना। अगर तो सिंगुलर की बात हो रही है तो एस ई एस लगेगा, ठीक है? और अगर प्लूरल की बात होती है तो एस ई एस नहीं लगेगा। मसलन वाक्स नहीं
Okay.
होगा, वाक होगा, राइट्स नहीं होगा, राइट होगा। तो इसी तरह से अगर प्लूरल के साथ हम एस एस नहीं लगाते, सिंगुलर के साथ हम लगाते हैं, लेकिन सिंगुलर आई यू नहीं होना चाहिए। ठीक है, इसी तरह से हैज
Okay.
हैव में भी यही चीज अप्लाई होती है, सिंगुलर के साथ हैज, लेकिन सिंगुलर आई यू नहीं होना चाहिए। ऑलराइट,
Okay.
प्लूरल के साथ हैव, सिंगुलर के साथ हैज, लेकिन सिंगुलर आई और यू नहीं होना चाहिए। तो क्या वो पढ़ाता है?
Does he teach?
क्या तुम मुझे पागल समझते हो?
Do you take me for mad?
हाँ, वो मुझे तंग क्यों करते हैं?
Why do they
Pester
pester
me।
me?
मैं कभी हार नहीं
Pester.
मानता हूँ।
I never give in.
क्या वो पढ़ाता है?
Does he
सॉरी,
read?
क्या वो पढ़ता है? क्या वो तुम्हें
Does he
मिलती,
read?
क्या वो तुम्हें मिलती है?
Does she meet you?
क्या उसका अब्बू उर्दू नहीं बोलता है?
Does his father speak Urdu?
Doesn't his father, not यहाँ पे ऐड किया। Does his father
Does
not speak Urdu, ये भी ठीक है। Doesn't his father speak Urdu, ये भी दोनों ठीक है। वो रोजाना मेरे लिए चाय बनाती है।
she daily makes me tea?
मेक्स मी टी। अब हम देखते हैं सेकंड फॉर्म है, ठीक है, और डिड का
Okay.
इस्तेमाल किया गया है। मैं वहां गया था, लेकिन मुझे कोई दिखाई ना दिया।
I went there, but I saw nobody.
ओके, कल मैं यहाँ बहुत देर से आया था।
Yesterday I came here very late.
हाँ, ये आया था गलत है। कल मैं यहाँ बहुत देर से आया। ठीक है, आया, आया था अगर कहेंगे तो फिर हैड यूज हो जाता साहब, तो यहाँ पे था
Hmm.
का इस्तेमाल गलत हुआ है। कल मैं यहाँ बहुत देर से आया, यस्टरडे आई केम हियर वेरी लेट। राइट, उसने
Okay.
वहाँ बहुत कुछ खाया।
He ate many things there.
मैंने उसे एक ज़रब लगाई और वो भाग गया।
I gave him a blow and he ran away.
उन्होंने उसका बहुत मजाक उड़ाया।
They made fun of him a lot.
गुड, तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो?
Why did you come here?
ये हो यहाँ पे गलत है। ठीक है, तुम यहाँ क्यों आए, अगर डिड इस्तेमाल किया है तो हो गलत है। तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? व्हाई डिड यू कम हियर। आपने क्या कहा है? आपने क्या, इसमें है भी गलत है। आपने क्या कहा?
What did you say?
क्या तुमने उसे मेरे बारे में बताया?
Did you tell him about me?
मेरा पेन कौन ले गया?
Who took my pen?
आपने ऐसी बात क्यों की?
Why did you say that?
तुमने उसे कहाँ रखा?
Why did you put it?
वेयर, वेयर डिड यू पुट इट। तुमने उसे,
Where did you put it?
तुमने उसे कहाँ रखा?
Okay.
तुम क्यों नहीं आए?
Why did you come?
नॉट वेयर, व्हाई डिड नॉट यू कम।
क्यों नहीं? Why did not you come? Why did not you come?
क्या हुआ?
What happened?
ये कैसे हुआ?
How did it happen?
हैपन, हाउ डिड इट हैपन, डिड के
Happen?
साथ
How
फर्स्ट
did?
फॉर्म होती है। तुम्हें कैसे पता चला?
How, how did you come to know?
तुम कहाँ से आए हो?
Where did you come from?
इसमें हो गलत है। तुम कहाँ से आए, वेयर डिड यू कम फ्रॉम। तुम्हें ऐसा किसने बताया?
Who told you that?
हु टोल्ड यू दैट। तुम वहाँ क्यों गए?
Why did you go there?
Why did you go there? And this is the last phrase that we are going to do this. मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं।
I have a lot of money.
I have a lot of money. मेरे पास ज्यादा वक्त नहीं है।
I don't have much time.
उसे अक्ल ही नहीं है।
He does not have sense.
क्या तुम्हारी आंखें नहीं हैं?
Don't you have eyes?
मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए कोई इज्जत नहीं है।
I have no respect for you.
उसके पास कुछ नहीं है।
She has nothing.
हमारे पास टिकट ही नहीं थी।
We did not have a ticket.
क्या तुम्हारी जेब में कुछ था?
Did you have anything in your pocket?
अच्छा, इसकी ट्रांसलेशन मैच नहीं हो रही, ठीक है। वाली मैंने आपको पहले भी देखा। अगर तुम रोजाना 1 रुपये जमा करो तो इस महीने के आखिर में तुम्हारे पास 20 रुपये होंगे, 30 होने चाहिए, एक ये बात है। So if you put aside, यहाँ पे 5 लिखा है, 1 रुपये होना चाहिए था। If you put aside 1 रुपये daily, you will have 30 rupees by the end of this month. ठीक है जी? So you can take help from this. अगर तुम रोजाना 1 रुपये जमा करो तो इस महीने के आखिर में तुम्हारे पास 30 रुपये होंगे।
If you put aside 1 rupee daily, you will have 30 rupees by the end of this month.
ओके, इसमें से इतना ही काफी है, ठीक है। अब हम दूसरे की तरफ चलते हैं। शेयर है another, this, okay, let's see.
So can you give me 2 minutes? I just take a receive. I
all
just
right.
receive a call.
Okay.
Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you see this YouTube?
No, I'm not
Okay,
saying the
I
video.
share it with you. Can you see it now?
No.
YouTube, can you see YouTube?
No, sir. I'm not saying anything.
Okay, let me see. News here it is. Is that okay?
No.
Or no, this is resume. Okay, is
No,
that
it's
okay?
okay. It's okay. I am. Yes, it's okay.
Actually, I had passed this. No. So let me see. It is just a link. Okay, do you have any rooms available? Hello?
No, sorry. We are full.
Okay.
No,
Is it
sorry. We are
still,
full.
is it, okay, do you understand?
No, I still don't understand.
Okay, how much are these?
These are $2.
How much is this?
It's $1.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you know what this is called?
It's called a computer.
Do you know where the bank is?
No, sorry, I don't.
When are you coming back?
I will be back on Tuesday.
Are you coming back soon?
Yes, I will back next week.
Is this worth $500?
No, it can't be worth that.
How much do I owe you?
30 cents.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I can help you. Yes, can I help you?
Okay, what makes you happy?
Going to the beach.
How is your family?
My family is fine.
Okay, do you have any siblings?
Yes, a brother and a sister.
Okay, do you travel often?
Yes, I travel every year.
Okay, how often do you have a vacation?
I have a vacation once a year.
Is this correct?
No, it's wrong.
Is this right?
Yes, it is.
Do you like it here?
I love it here.
What do you think about this place? What do you think
I
about
really like
Japan?
this place.
What do you think about Japan? Okay. Do you
I
know
like Japan.
anything about California?
Yes, I lived there for 2 years.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, no problem.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Of course.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said, where are you from?
Can you write it down for me?
Sure.
Can you translate this for me?
Yes, I will.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is next to the bank.
Do you want to see a doctor?
Yes, I do.
Do you need medicine?
Sure, medicine would be nice
Why are you sad?
because my cat died.
Why are you angry?
Because I missed my flight.
What are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
What country are you from?
I am from US.
What part of the US are you from?
I am from California.
How much money do you have?
Not at a lot.
Who would you like to speak to?
I would like to speak to John.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it's freezing. Take a jacket.
Is it hot outside?
No, not really.
Have you been to China?
Yes, I was.
How can I contact you?
You can call me on my cell phone
What is the best time to call you?
after 5.
How often do you come here?
I come here almost every day.
How tall are you?
I am about 6 feet tall.
How high is the fence?
It's about 5 feet height.
How far is it from here?
It is about 1 mile.
Is it close to here?
No, it's far
What
from
color?
here.
What color is this?
This is yellow.
Have you been to Spain before?
Yes, I have.
Do you know how to use this?
No, I don't know how to use this at all.
Can you give me an example of this word?
Sure.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you see me?
No, I can't see you.
Is the internet slow?
Yes, it's very slow.
Is your room clean?
Now it's really dirty.
Okay, do you have a non-smoking room?
Yes, we do.
When should I pick you up?
Please pick me up at 3 p.m.
We have a reservation, don't we?
I did not make a reservation.
We are lost, aren't we?
Yep,
Will you be at school tomorrow?
of course. I can't
What,
miss school.
what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice
How come this so expensive?
because it's good quality.
Do you know where my phone is?
Your phone is on the table.
Where did you go?
I went to shopping with a friend.
What did you buy?
We bought some new clothes.
Uh, where were you?
I was in London.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually hang out with friends.
What did you think of it?
It was the best experience of my life.
Do you want to go there again?
Definitely as soon as I earn enough money.
Do you think Spanish is difficult?
It is very difficult for me
Why is it difficult?
because the grammar is very difficult, complicated.
When are you going to Russia?
I will go there in 5 years ago.
When did you go to China?
I love it. It was so much fun.
Did you like China?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, what time is it?
It's 4:30.
Have you got a car?
Yes, I drive a sedan.
Have you got a house?
Now I live in a flat.
Have you got a job?
Yes, I have a good job.
Have you got any children?
Yes, I got 3 children, 2 boys and a daughter.
Have you got any children?
Not yet.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Can you play tennis?
No, I play football.
Where is the post office?
It's in front of the hotel.
Are we there yet?
No, not even close.
What is your favorite movie?
That is good question. Let me think.
How long should it wait for you?
Wait for 1 hour.
What is your English level?
Intermediate.
Does he speak English well?
Yes, I speak English better than I do.
Do you know any German?
I only know how to say hi in German.
Do you watch the news?
I watch it every day.
What newspaper do you read?
I read the New York Times.
Have you seen my phone?
No, I have not.
Okay, how was the movie?
It was very interesting. You should watch it.
Did you like the movie?
It was fantastic.
How do you feel about Clara?
Clara is quite friendly and helpful.
Can you can you speak English?
No, I can't speak English.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can, but I am not fluent. I am learning to speak English.
Why are you studying English?
So I can communicate when I travel
Why are you studying English?
for work.
Okay, all right. So good enough for this. And we shall now come to the speaking test. And that was warm up. Good that you follow it. And
Okay.
speak, come back. Okay. And screen share, pause. Okay.
So just give me 3 to 5 minutes.
All right.
I have to go for some dinner.
All
So I
right.
just go inside vehicle. Then
Uh-huh.
I will talk with you. I'm just holding you.
Okay. All right.
Just
Okay.
give me 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
So thanks once again. Can you screen share with this? Where are the okay. Can you see this?
Yes, I am seeing.
Okay, speaking, part one. Okay. So the examiner asks the candidate. जैसे आप normally बोलते हैं वैसे बोलो, ठीक है? You don't have a problem. Part one. The examiner has the candidate. Sorry. The examiner asks the candidate about him, herself, his, her, home, work, or studies, and other family topics. Example is photograph. What type of photos do you like taking? ये हमने कर नहीं लिया था.
ये कर लिया था. We have done.
Yes. So we should do it. Um, okay. Let's see this next one. Hmm. Okay, speaking part one. We can see this now, and you see this one. Okay. The examiner asks the candidate about him, herself, his, her home, work, or studies, and other family topics. Example questions are names. Okay.
Okay.
How did your parents choose your name? You have a history, and I think you can speak it very well. About your name.
Yes, my actually my name is very unique, and when I was born in Makkah, so my mother given me that name to me, and it the name meaning is to live in Makkah.
Uh,
So she was very exciting, and even she decided my name before my birth, and when I was born, and she already had decided, and she gave me that name, and but actually a lot of people ask me about my name, and because it's very unique, it's not a common name, so I tell him about the meaning, about it meaning, and I also tell him I was born in Makkah. That's why my mother gave me that name to me.
okay, good. Does your name have any special meaning? You have already told this, is that your name has very special meaning to Islam. The one who lives in Makkah, so that's Makki.
Yes,
So is your name
yes.
common or unusual in your country?
Actually, it is not a common name. Even I did not hear about this name commonly. But I knew someone who is a Islamic scholar and who live in Saudi Arab, and he's addressing some Islamic speeches in front of public. So his name is Maki, and nowadays uh, I am view the name in some signboards, like there are some shops like in which the people change their vehicle mobile. That's name is Maki Oil Store. So I view in some places that name, and I even interestingly I had already met with the people, with the person, the owner, whose name is Maki. Accidentally we both met each other when I went to Saudi Arab, and during when I perform Umrah. So we had together, and we discussed each other. So when I introduced myself to him, and surprisingly when he introduced me, and we both name are common. So it's not a common name, it is
Okay,
very unique name.
good. Um, if you could change your name, would you?
Actually, I even don't think, and I can't change my name. I love my name. and even if I think ever, so I don't want to change my name.
Okay. So any other name that you like the best?
Yes, many other names which I like most, and which I like to give my family members. Like I love I like very much Saad, and I like very much Taha. Saad is my nephew, and Taha is my son. So
MashaAllah,
many names
MashaAllah.
many names I like, and I give those them with my close relatives, and it is it is good thing for my relatives who uh, accept my request when I do regarding name. So I love a lot of other names.
Okay. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Actually, I don't give you 1 minute, okay? I immediately ask you to speak. But in the actual examination, they will give you 1 minute, and after 1 minute, they will ask you, okay, one, two, three, go. But here, we don't have any problem. Now you need to talk about to describe a TV documentary you watched that was particularly interesting, and you should say what the documentary was about. First, to cover this point. Hello, yes, start
Okay,
speaking.
okay. Sorry,
I will ask you
I am
point by
waiting.
point. Okay.
Okay. What the documentary was about, I watched documentary a few weeks before. It was it was related with the animal. It was related with the nutrition, which directly linked with the human health. So that is very interesting. Like the documentary was, the theme of documentary was if people eat junk food that give them lot of negative health effect, and the diseases which are very common in nowadays due to because of the people love to eat junk food. So, but if the people eat natural food and avoid to eat junk food, that will protect from the multiple lethal diseases, and they definitely will not get more weight, and because the weight is the main cause, the weight is the basic cause of the in which the maximum diseases are generated because of due to high weight.
All right. So why you decided to watch it?
I heard from my wife. She watched it, and she inspired a lot, and she has changed some lifestyles. And because previously she had taken a lot of junk food, but uh, I became very surprised when I saw her. She was avoiding to take any junk food. So I inquired her how you can adopt this change. So she told me she watched a documentary, and that uh, gave her a lot of knowledge about the importance of food. So I decided to I I will definitely watch that documentary. So after some time, when I found some spare time, I watched that documentary, and that was I already told you.
Okay, all right.
It's interesting and amazing.
Now, what you learned during the documentary?
I learned a lot of things, but actually, I tell you about the one thing which I learned from that was the importance of life, and that was the importance of life because we don't consider the food which is actually disturbing our life, and it plays very important role. So even we just sometimes we consider, we just not consider on very serious note. So but after when I watched that documentary, I realized that it is very important and it is the essential part of life. If we want to grow, if we want to live long, and if we want to live healthy, so it is very important to take natural food and avoid to take chemical or the junk food, because it is purely uh, give negative health, negative to negative for health.
Okay, now explain particularly and explain why the TV documentary was particularly interesting. Actually, you have
TV doc.
already explained the answer, okay? So
Yeah,
then
but
keep.
I try, I will try to give you answer in different way.
Uh,
I think the documentary is based on the elder people, because I think there are more chances to grab and to have more diseases if the people have older. So that's why they, because they have problem of cholesterol and they have problem of diabetes and blood pressure, so they should not take any type of the food which is not good for them. Even the doctor always recommend them to avoid to take even sugars and avoid to take fried things and avoid to take oily products, because it is maybe little for you sometimes. So that is very important. After then I changed my food habit of my mother as well, and counseling her, and I taught her and explain her what are the good thing for you and what are the bad thing for you. And now she's also healthy and she's become happy. So that is very interesting documentary which I watched.
all right. Now we come to the part three of the examination of this test. Discussion topic: different types of TV programs. Okay. Example questions
Okay.
are: what are the most popular kinds of TV programs in your country?
A lot of programs are very popular in my country, but nowadays it is very in trend to watch TV dramas which are based on true stories, and along with them, these dramas are based on the real stories which are happening in every home, every house. So that's why people want to see those type of dramas. These are very popular and the people love to watch them. And actually they nowadays, after pandemic, we the people want people have been watching series of Artugrul. It was very popular, and during pandemic, everyone has been watching it, and everyone get some Islamic history. Took some Islamic history from that series, and it reflects that the people love to watch Islamic history and love to watch to understand the glory of the glory of Muslim, which we were ruled over the world. So multiple type of dramas are very interesting, and people watch them, and people love to watch them.
Okay, now when you're talking about the TV programs, I suggest you that you should not mention too much about Islam. We learn Islam, we love Islam, or all this.
Okay.
It is because they are non-Muslims and they may
Okay.
not like the idea, and they may take you as extremist or something like. They will have. It will
Okay.
not have a
I
good
understand.
effect on your speech.
I
So
understand. I understand.
they liking of TV dramas and all this. Now,
Okay.
you do you know? Actually, you should not give an impression that you are Muslim and you are going to change the world. Okay, so they actually
Okay.
very much resisting this. Do you think there
Okay.
are too many game shows or TV nowadays? On TV nowadays,
Sorry, can you explain question again?
do
Do
you
you think?
think there are too many game shows on TV nowadays?
Yes.
Mm.
Yes, there are many shows, TV program, game shows nowadays, which are on air on the TV over the period of time. So I think these are very important, and people have good entertainment to watch them, and even these are very popular because the people refresh their knowledge, and because of these programs, the knowledge of people uh, have been knowledge of people have been increased, and people because some program uh, are launching some type of sort of gifts, so that things are attractive, that things are very attractive for the people, so people love to watch these type of game shows and these type of uh, activities on the program, TV program.
All right. Do you think that TV is the main way for people to get the news in the country, in your country? What other ways are there?
Yes, you are right, but nowadays it was completely, it has been decreasing to people. Oh, it has been decreased. It has been decreased. People watch TV because the people have a lot of multiple options. Like they have to watch news from Facebook, and they can use YouTube, and they can use other social media sources, because people don't have spare time when the news on air on their time, like, so the people uh, just to watch their news on their mobile phone when they found some spare time. So but along this they watch TV as well, but I think this trend uh, has been changed, and by time, and maybe it would be completely entirely shifting from TV program to the mobile phone or other social media network.
Okay, now TV advertising. Okay, there are advertisements on the. For example, the question is, what types of products are advertised most often on TV?
Every type of product which usually I use in daily routine life are launching, are advertised on the TV product. For example, the companies who have bigger companies and have, like, if I specifically tell you about the financing companies, like every type of bank is use TV for their advertisement, and Jazz Cash, Mobi Cash. These are the those companies which are involved in transactions. They use TV program, and detergents are very popular. Their ads are very popular, which are usually on air on the TV program. So multiple type of TV programs are multiple type of TV ads are popular, and the one most popular TV ad is infant milk, like Nido, that is very popular. So these type of ads are very popular in uh, which are uh, on air on TV programs.
All right. Now the next question in line is, do you think that people pay attention to adverts? That means advertisements on TV.
To Yes, people pay very much attention for the advertisement which they are advert over the TV, because uh, when they watch any interesting program on the TV, and eventually during that time, on uh, every channel is advertisement on the same time. So and previously it was option when you have ads on one channel, then you can change the other channel, then you can see you can continue watch to other programs, and you can skip the advertisement. But nowadays the trend is nowadays the social media, the TV program has aligned, and all channels are aligned to each other. So uh, they just play, they just ad on the same time. If a person is watching a program, if the advertisement come, then if he changed the channel, on the other channel where he go, the ad is also coming on the same channel, on that channel as well. So that's why the people watch advertisement, and the advertisement companies give some attraction, some appeals. So that's why the people want to buy that thing, and they make their minds. And so then the company's objective are fulfilled, and their products will sell more.
All right. Now, how important are regulations on TV advertising? Regulation means laws. How important
Yes, it
are
is.
laws on
I think
TV?
very important, because the laws are, they are lot of censor boards who censor the activity or drama before on at the national channel. So it is very important, because maybe sometime the people make those type of dramas which are uh, which are which are not uh, give good results over the society. And maybe those type of dramas or stories which give negative impact over the society. So there are some strong censorship boards in which they who watch the drama before on edit, and if they allow them, then the drama will, if they permit that drama will, that drama can, yeah, is able to on air on that will able to on air on the TV program. So then that drama will play. Otherwise the drama maker have to change that objectionable scenes or objectionable lines from the drama, then they will get permission. So I think it is very important, because everything is not be for the everyone. So we respect our culture, we respect our family system, we respect our tradition and norms, we respect everything, we respect our humanity as well. So we watch those things which make the society, and we never uh, make the people opinion who destruct, yeah, who break the society.
All right. Now, this is what. Now, can you tell me what is your favorite advertisement?
My favorite advertisement is infant milk, because I like to watch the babies. They are very innocent, and their acting is very excellent. So I like to uh, watch them, and I love to see that advertisement.
Which one? Which company?
Infant,
I mean,
infant,
Infant.
Nido.
Nido. Okay. Which is the most unpleasant you see advertisement that you don't like?
Yeah, that's the time which I feel very uncomfortable when I sit with my family. That the advertisement is of always, which is not give me comfortable when I sit with my family. When the advertisement of always,
The one advertisement that you see that you say this is not good.
always.
No, name one advertisement which is not good.
So this is the name of advertisement always, that that the product which the female used or during menses, the product is
So
always
always, always is the name. All right, okay. Okay, dear. Very nice. To have you here, and very good that you have made the practice of tenses and which is spoken English and the conversation. The result, they are all the part of this conversation. And well, naturally, I feel very happy when I talk to you, and I hope to have you tomorrow once again. And when you make
okay.
some, you
Okay.
see absences, so they have their impact on your speeches as well. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
wish stay blessed again and
Okay. Thank you.
have a pleasant evening or night, sweet dreams with you. Okay.
Okay.
So hope
Okay.
to see you
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you. Okay.
Goodbye till
I
then.
love.